Hi beauties, how are you? Today I'm just gonna talk to you guys for a minute before I get into BoxyCharm. Today's BoxyCharm day for the month of September, but I just wanted to talk to you guys, kind of just give you life update on what I've been doing, what's been going on. I know I haven't been uploading consistently like I usually do. Personally, I've just been focused on transitioning where I'm at now. There's been family stuff going on. I've been at work a lot more lately. Sorry, I'm putting a lotion on because you know me, I stay forgetting to put on lotion for videos, not in real life though. But anyways, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not going anywhere. It's just been a little difficult for me to film lately. Not only because I've been taking on more responsibility at my job because my cousin had surgery, so I'm trying to help her out as much as I can, but also I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I've been in a real funk to record videos because I haven't been inspired by anything, which really sucks. And because it's so hot and I'm always at work, I haven't worn makeup in more than a month, to be honest with you. So I haven't been playing with anything. I have bought a couple of things. I'll probably mention them in another video. Not too much. I've purchased probably more candles than makeup in the last month and a half. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I really love you guys, and I really appreciate you guys' support and for sticking with me through everything, and just sticking with me through life, because sometimes life be smacking the shit out of you and you don't expect it. Kind of have to just go with the punches, literally. But it's okay because I'm strong enough to take on whatever comes my way, and I know that I'm gonna get through it. It's not like I'm by myself, so which I really appreciate, and I am grateful for that. I'm not going through this by myself. So I am excited though to get back into it because Halloween is coming up. It's coming into fall season, and it is one of my favorite times of the year. I have a bunch of stuff that I want to record for the month of October for you guys, just fun Halloween stuff, maybe one or two tutorials doing a look for Halloween, but it's mainly probably gonna be Halloween decor stuff. And I definitely want to do a video where I share my growing kind of horror t-shirt collection with you guys. That's on my list to record for you guys. So I also have a Torrid haul coming. But yeah, you guys, honest truth, all jokes aside, I just have not, besides being busy and taking on more responsibility to help my family out here, I just haven't been inspired. And I've noticed that in my videos before, I had so much energy and I was so happy to do this, and it kind of just depleted over time, and I just kind of got stuck with it, and I just wasn't inspired by anything. But now that the fall is coming and now that Halloween is coming around, I'm getting more inspired. I really want to get back into playing with makeup. I have some great fall palettes that I just pulled out of my collection to play with for the next couple of months that I will be sharing with you guys as well. Just wanted to give you an update, and this is what's going on. So without further ado, let's get into BoxyCharm, and then I'm going to share with you guys. I know there was something else that I have. Oh, I purchased Goose Creek candles for the first time ever, so I'll give you a little sort of a little review after my BoxyCharm. So let's get into that. Right off the bat, I don't have anything to share with you guys that I fell in love with or liked from last month's box, because one, I gave 2 items away from what I got in that box because I just wasn't impressed, and then 2, I haven't even worn or tried out makeup in the last month, so I'm not gonna lie and be oh, I love this product, then I haven't even freaking tried it or anything like that. That's just not me. That's not how we roll here on this channel. So I don't have shit for you today on the last month's box because I didn't get a chance to try anything out, and again, I gave a couple of things away. So let's get into this month's box. This month's box is BTS, which is kind of, I'm really? I'm thinking of the boy band. Is anybody else thinking about the boy band BTS? Is that what that is? I do like the background because it's super colorful. It's got makeup everywhere. Love it, love it, love it. But yeah, I opened this box up with my little cousin because she loves this stuff. She's like my niece. and she's always like intrigued of, oh Titi, what did you get in this box this month? So I let her open it and we kind of went through the stuff. So the first thing that I got in this box is a $60 product, and it's by Glam Glow. It's the Youth Mud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask. It exfoliates with volcanic pumice rock to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visibly soften skin's texture, while natural clays lift impurities without disturbing skin's essential oils. Antioxidants from green tea smooth for more glowing, youthful looking skin instantly. This runs for, again, $60. I really do love the packaging when it comes to Glam Glow. I've tried a couple of their things, not my cup of tea, but I think back in July I had received their cleanser, and I really do like that cleanser, you guys. I'm like, finally I found something that I'm really enjoying by Glam Glow, and it's in my shower downstairs, and I use it every other day, and it has like a cooling sensation to it. So I kind of just like rub it on my face in the shower and then just leave it on maybe for like about 30 seconds and rinse it off. And my face just feels refreshed. It feels clean, and I really like it. So, but I love the packaging on this. It's a matte finish. It says hello sexy on the flaps. And then it's just, I know it's just a lot of packaging for something that's this small, but it is weighted. I do love, again, like the packaging just pretty much blew me away on this one. I haven't opened it. Oh, it opens up easily. Okay, here we go. Oh, that smells nice. I don't know how to explain this one. It almost comes off a little fruity to me, but that smells very nice. And this is what it looks like right there. Yeah, it's a glow stimulating treatment. I don't have one of these, I don't think. That's in kind of like my routine. I wouldn't mind trying this out. I have so much skincare, you guys, that I don't know what to do with. Like, I'm thinking about joining one of those things online that I need to figure out where you can sell your stuff, because I could be making money off of this stuff on the side too, because it's shit that's just sitting there and I'm not using it. I'm intrigued. Love the packaging. A little too much for such a small bottle, but I'm down to try this. So that's the first thing that we got. And then the second thing that we got, which is I think the item that I picked for my box, is the Half Caked Best Friends Forever in Bloom Duo Fiber Brush Set. So this is a blush and a brush. This one's for $22. Meet your blush BFFs. Get intense pigment with a matte finish that will take you from day to night. Apply to the apples of your cheeks or tops of your cheekbones with this 100% synthetic brush. Custom created to give an airbrush finish, developed with sensitive skin in mind. The fragrance-free formula gives you the perfect flush every time. Half Cake does that like kind of like childish, nostalgic sort of packaging when it comes to their stuff. It's super cute. This is the brush that it comes with. The fibers on it are really different. It's a little weird, but let's open it and see, because you got like a full brush and then you have these little bristles just like sticking out of it, which is very different, but you can see the difference. Like if you took all of this out, you'll have the regular brush like inside, which is like right here. Half Caked 813 Duo Fiber brush that comes with it. It comes very well packaged. And then this is the Half Caked in Bloom blush, and it's called Freshly Squeezed. This is very beautiful. It comes with a little mirror. This is very pretty. I feel like I would use this during the fall and winter time, so I'll be putting this into use. It's not like I need any other blushes, because my blush and my highlighter drawer and my IKEA drawer is like overflowing. Like I need to stop. So again, that's the Half Cake Best Friends Forever set, and that runs for $22. The next thing I got is by Georgette Klinger. I hope that's how they say it, but this one's for $32. Is a Marula Primer. Blur imperfections and ensure an all-day radiant finish. Hydrating and long wearing, it cushions skin with advanced hyaluronic acid, ensuring silky smooth makeup application and won't settle into pores, fine lines, or dry areas. A nourishing blend of marula oil and vitamins A, E, F, and B locks in moisture and protects against visible signs of aging. Ideal for all oil and silicone-based foundation formulas. That's interesting. Since 1941, all skin types. I've never heard of this brand. Again, you guys, I always say this is just BoxyCharm is just one of those things that helps you branch out, because I personally get tired of like using the same brands all the time. So BoxyCharm has really opened me up to brands that I've never heard of, and I've found some really good gems that way. I don't smell anything, but it does come sealed. There's gonna be interesting. There's a couple of primers I'm still trying to get through. I'm almost done with my Touch and Soul primer. Here, this is what the bottom looks like. I'm almost done with this. I gotta kind of get down in the bottom, but then I have this one to get through too. So I'm just like, I don't need no more primers. But yes, this runs for $32. And then the next thing I got was Pinky Rose, and I've never used this brand before either. This is a multi-use makeup base sticks, a cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow or a primer to your eyeshadow. Really? That's cool. Can also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. The perfect duo to be used together or separately. $20. That's very innovative, that you can use this literally for anything. The packaging is super cute, and it says pump your base 2 multi-use makeup sticks, jazz and hip hop, Pinky Rose Cosmetics. Obviously I've heard of them. I think I do follow them on Instagram. The packaging on this is freaking adorable, and it literally just comes with 2 sticks that are multi-use. Oh, this is cool. I do love that there's music notes on this. This is really cool. One is named Jazz, the other one is Hip Hop, just like I said it on the box. But I love the music notes on it. It's so cute. There we go. You can see the music notes on it. Super duper cute. And then it says Pinky Rose on it in the name. I love that. Yeah, this is beautiful. I would use this as eyeshadow or under the eye, or as a lipstick. It's very bronzy. And then this one I would definitely use as a base, because it's super duper light for eyeshadows. I'm intrigued by these, and I've never used this brand before, so I'm definitely going to be using these. All right, you guys, the last one is Give Them LALA Beauty Mascara. This runs for $20. The Give Them LALA Beauty Mascara creates fuller, more dramatic looking lashes. The silicone brush separates, elongates, and plumps, giving you the perfect glam without clumping, flaking, and smudging. Well, it's a new launch for this brand. I've never heard of this brand before. They are cruelty free. Oh, okay, the packaging is cute. It's kind of got like this marble but yet like woodsy type of packaging to it at the cap. And let's check out the brush, the bristles. Okay, I'm glad that it's not a hourglass. I hate hourglass shaped applicators. They're just freaking annoying for me. But I'm intrigued, and it looks like it's flexible and it moves around quite easily to maneuver around the eye. So I'm intrigued, you guys. Am I gonna be giving away anything from this box? Probably not, because I can actually try and use all of this stuff. We're supposed to be getting a cold front in Florida in the next couple of days, so I am just like, yes, please bring in the fall weather, because I would really like to be wearing my Halloween makeup and my grungy looks and the terracottas and burnt oranges and olives and listen, please, Lord Jesus, please. That is BoxyCharm for September. I won't be giving away anything from this box this month because I'm about it and I'm happy. Let's talk about Goose Creek candles, you guys. First time ever buying from Goose Creek. They had a sale and I was totally intrigued just by their packaging. We all know here that we love Bath & Body Works candles. I used to work for the company, so they are my favorite candles. They are #1 in my life. But I saw another influencer talk about Goose Creek, and I don't remember who it was, but I was like, I'm intrigued. I want to try them out. What really got to me was the packaging on these candles, and they were on sale. They run for $24.99, and I got them for $13 each. So the first one I picked up is Candy Corn Cake Pop. Look at this packaging, you guys. This packaging, it is just fantastic, so pretty. I will say I love this packaging more than the packaging on the Bath and Body Works candles, because on those they just slapped on the label on the front with a little bit of a nice printout, and that's it. This goes all the way around. It's super bright, super inviting. I absolutely love this. And then the other one that I got was Poison Apple. Love the packaging on this one as well. Super cute. And these are their Halloween collector's edition for 2021. So I'm assuming that they come out with different packagings every year. I'm not sure. Again, it's my first time ever using Goose Creek. So here's my little review on these for trying them the first time. One, I'm super happy and glad that they did not come broken. I do not personally buy candles from Bath and Body Works online because I feel like 90% of people who do receive their candles broken, and it kind of defeats the purpose, because then they end up having to go into the store and exchanging them. Like, if you don't want to do that, and you like, what's the point, you know? Bath and Body Works needs to package their shit better when it comes to their candles being shipped out. So glad that they did not come in broken. The packaging is like a 10 out of 10 for me. I burned both of them yesterday. I will say I absolutely love candy corn cake pop. This one is so yummy, so good. Really reminds me of Vanilla Bean by Bath and Body Works with the candy corn smell at the end. Like, you can really smell it while it's burning. The burn is really clean, and the throw is really decent, like decent enough to where I'm coming up the stairs and I'm coming around the corner into my room, I can smell this candle. Like, the throw is really, really decent, and I'm so happy that I picked this one up. It's just so yummy and so good, and it just gets me into the Halloween vibes. So a 10 out of 10 on this one. I know my friends at Bath and Body Works are probably gonna kill me, like, Liza, what are you talking about Goose Creek for? Listen, they are good. There are people out there that do not like Bath and Body Works. It is what it is. So I'm giving you guys an alternate. If you guys are just like candle lovers, try Goose Creek, because so far my experience with trying out Goose Creek has been like a great experience. Now, as for Poison Apple, I was not expecting to get such a strong throw on this one. I don't remember the notes, which is the only thing I don't like about the Goose Creek candles, is that they don't have the notes on them. You have to go on the site and actually look for the notes that they have on these candles. They're not written on the bottom like Bath and Body Works, but I'll give you the notes of each candle on the bottom with them. This one, I'm in the middle because I smell no apple from this. And when you think about Poison Apple, I think about like maybe like apple crisp chips, or like apples that are kind of like going rotten but are still sweet. It's very different. But this also reminds me of something that we make at the store. At the store, we make chocolate chip bacon cookies, and this smells like the way those cookies smell when they're being cooked. So it's a little weird for me. I don't smell the apple at all. So I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm like 50-50 on this one. I love the packaging. I love everything about this. I love that it didn't come broken, but I'm not keen on the smell for this one. I will probably like burn this in like the rest of the house and not burn it in my room personally, but I definitely like the candy corn one over this one for sure. So I'm just throwing it out there, you guys, giving you some candle options. If you're not a fan of Bath and Body Works, check out the ones from Goose Creek. They often have sales as well. They also have Afterpay if that's your thing too. So little quick review on them. Love it. 50-50, packaging amazing. Receive them not broken. I would definitely buy from them again. So there's my little review on Goose Creek. So you guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for sticking with me, being patient with me. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing and joining the family here. And I'm hoping that I could just like knock it out the park for you guys in October, because I'm getting those vibes, you guys. I'm getting the inspiration. I'm getting it back. Like, I want to be playing with makeup now and making some like grungy looks. And I even got some like black lipstick and stuff. Like, I bought my favorite suede NYX lipsticks. And I got Subversive Socialite and Alien, which Alien is just black lipstick, and then this is like a really deep, dark purple magenta type of lipstick. So I'm excited to be using these, maybe do like a little ombre Halloween effect look on my lips and stuff like that. So yeah, you guys, that's it. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about the box. If you've tried Goose Creek before, how are you guys doing? Let's chat. It's been a minute. I love you guys. Please stay safe out there. Please be kind to one another, and please be kind to yourself. I will see you in a couple of days. Bye.